Now, another question we get asked very often here at the Budwig Center is, can I drink tea on the Budwig diet? Well, yes, of course you can, but we're talking mostly herbal teas. And reading through Dr. Joanna Budwig's books, she encouraged all her patients to drink a nice cup of warm herbal tea before each meal. You know, that could be a green tea or peppermint tea. It helped with the assimilation, and also it helped with the digestion of the flax oil and cottage cheese. Now, what about Essiac Tea and Pau D'Arco tea? Well, these are, of course, are anti-cancer teas, but they're herbal, and Dr. Budwig approved all herbal teas. Now, another question I've had is, can I drink black tea? Well, I have a quotation here from William Fisher. He's the author of the book, How to Fight Cancer and Win. And on page 42, here's what he said. Now, he spent a whole week with Dr. Joanna Budwig, and he mentioned that she allowed black tea now and then. So that was her answer. So herbal teas, fine with the Budwig program.